Hey y'all, what's up? Yeah, we got some GI Joes I want to open today. We got Dial Tone. Let's open that up. Uh, yes, y'all. Adding all the GI Joes to the collection. Went all in on this GI Joe stuff. Unseal that. Got a little cat hair on there. Yes, y'all. And we got Dial Tone. Beautiful Dial Tone figure. Yes, y'all. What else do we have here? We have Cobra Viper. Let's cut that open. Cut that open. Yes, y'all. And we got a Viper figure. Yes, y'all. Feels so good to own G.I. Joe. These are so fun to unbox. Put all the figures on the weapon. All the weapons on the figures. Yeah, set it backwards. Let's get rock and roll. Rock and roll. Craig Rock and Roll McConnell. Let's get him out of the package. Get that open. Yes, y'all. And we got rock and roll out of the package. Yes, y'all. Pistol popping out here. That is warped. This pistol is warped upwards. Maybe it's meant to be like that. I don't know. Strange warp there. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Let's take out rock and roll's contents. Got a gun here. Got a fist. Got an ammo clip. Don't know how this goes exactly. Yeah, I think it pops on just like that. We got the ammo clip on the gun. We got a walkie-talkie. We got his crushed helmet. Helmet all warped. So we got his hang loose hands out. Yeah. Yes, y'all. And we got rock and roll, beautiful rock and roll figure. Leave the walkie-talkie stars just like that. Stores on his belt. Yes, y'all. I like the trigger fingers, but this is rock and roll. Got to give him his hang loose hands. Yes, y'all. Rock and roll, y'all. Stick his gun in the holster. Stick the gun in the holster. And then he's got this big gun. Got it in his hand. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's take out his ammo belt. Yes, yes, y'all. Ammo belt, how does that go? Yeah, not quite sure how that ammo belt goes. Yeah. Yes, yes, y'all. And let's check out his warped helmet. Nice. We got a nice rock and roll here. Oh, he's got a stand. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's take out the Viper. Nice, beautiful guns. Yes, yes, y'all. Take the Viper out. Yes, yes, y'all. Viper. Got a backpack. Got another big gun. Nice. Don't need those gridiron guns. These guns are pretty dope. Yes, yes, y'all. And the hands. And that is all. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got the Viper. Put his backpack on. That fits nice and smooth. Gun and holster. And we stick that on just like that. Stick the gun on the holster. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's get these guns in his hand. Yes, yes, y'all. Just like gridiron. Trying to get his finger in here. Got it. With a little work, got it in. He got his guns. And we get this Viper. Nice, easy backpack. No difficulty there. Yes, yes, y'all. Got a Viper here. And let's last but not least, let's take out dial tone. Here's his sword. His knife. Here's the dial tone figure. Nice, beautiful, beautiful characters. Realistic. Got like some kind of phone, like a tablet. He's got a that is all. Yeah, he's got one of those. Forgot what it's called. Yeah, I forgot what it's called. There's dial tone. There's Tiger coming up. Hi, Ty. Tiger Lee put his knife in the sheet. His tablet sticks right there. What's it called? A xylophone or something? Yeah. Yes, y'all. And last, his gun. Yes, y'all. That is dial tone. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. And that is my G.I. Joe collection today. Tiger just woke up. Cringer turning into Battle Cat. Yes, y'all. There's Rock and Roll. There's the Viper. There's Dial Tone. Yes, y'all. Dial Tone. Put the Viper over here on the Lamborghini. And Rock and Roll. Put him in the front here. Yes, y'all. That is the latest G.I. Joes. Yes, y'all. And we are all caught up with G.I. Joe. Yes, y'all. We got the Fight Zone. We got Mondo 12-inch on the Fight Zone. Skeletor on the giant face throne. Yeah. Got Ninja Turtles on this shelf now. Oh, there's how you put Rock and Roll's ammo. Like that. Yeah. Okay, next we got LED lights in the eyes. Mumra and Lionel coming in. Yes, y'all. Okay, y'all. I'm going to watch news now, 11 o'clock news. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Set you go to presents.